Hello guys, my name is Adamas. If you ever tried collecting data from the internet, you probably know that the greater the amount, the harder it is to avoid getting blocked. Thankfully, there are tools to make evading blocks easier, and one of them is ParseHub, a budget-friendly web scraping tool. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to make the most of ParseHub using Oxylabs Datacenter and residential proxies. Before getting started, visit the Oxylabs dashboard and add your IP address to the whitelist under Residential Proxies in the whitelist section. To find your IP address, navigate to whatismyipaddress.com website. If you haven't created your proxy user yet, do that in the user fields located under Residential Proxies, since you may need your credentials for authentication on ParseHub later on. As for dedicated data center proxies, there are two options to get your IP list. Check out our documentation for more details on that. The link will be in the description below. It should also appear in the upper right corner right about now. Let's get started then. First, download ParseHub, then install it and launch it. Then, click on the New Project button. Insert a URL from which you would like to scrape public data from. In this example, I'll use oxylabs.io. Then, click Start Project. Wait for the project to load and switch it to the Browse mode. Once the Browse slider is green, navigate to the top right side and find the drop-down list. Here, select the Preferences option. On the left side, find the Advanced option and click on the Network tab. Then, click the Settings button on the right. Afterwards, select Manual Proxy Configuration. If you're using residential proxies, insert pr.oxylabs.io in the HTTP proxy field, and 7777, that's for sevens, under the port section. Then click OK to save settings. If you're using dedicated data center proxies, insert numerical proxy IP address, for example 1.2.3.4. (60000) in the port field. Now, if you're using shared data center proxies, your proxy type will be HTTP with dc.pr.oxylabs.io as the address. The port also changes, so you should enter 10,000 in the dedicated field. You can also connect to a specific country of your choice. Once again, a link to our documentation will be in the description, so be sure to check it out. Afterwards, open your website in a new tab. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is what the general formula for your custom proxy format looks like. And now, you successfully integrated Oxylabs residential or dedicated data center proxies with ParseHub. To make sure it's working properly, check your IP address on whatismyipaddress.com. If you come up with any questions about Oxylabs proxy integration, don't hesitate to drop us a line at your convenience. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest web scraping industry news. See you next time.